First things first, we're going to part our hair, and you're going to do it further over than you usually do. And this is what's going to give that braid some extra body. Okay, then you're going to take that section and just separate it out for a second. And you're going to tease this part of your hair. The reason we're not teasing this is because we're going to braid it, and we don't want the tease in there because then we won't be able to work through it. Okay, so now that we have it teased on the back and this side, we're gonna go ahead and part off what we're going to braid. And to choose this, I'm pretty much grabbing everything other than this back section right here. And when I say back section and what you're leaving out that side that's not gonna make up kind of this top part of your head, okay? So that's what we're going to leave out of the braid, and we're just going to clip that to the side. And to start your braid, you're going to take this section on an angle right there, and that is where you're going to start the braid. Okay, so now that we've got this braid in here, we're going to make it as big as possible. So whatever thickness your hair is, that's going to depend on how big you can make it, but just start on the bottom. I kind of work in sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And you're actually going to do it bigger than you actually think. So I work up and down. Pin that at the bottom, just like that. Okay, so then release this here and balance this back piece out. And what we're going to do is kind of make a low waterfall with it. So what you'll do is kind of push that into place and pin it with a bobby pin. Okay, and I'm going to need to secure that with 2 bobby pins, so I'll just show you. Okay, and as for this side, just grab it. I like to kind of leave some pieces out over my ear. you can feel where that braid is. And I'm actually going to just do a few twists this way. Make sure it looks nice. And we're using this side to kind of cover where we pinned the braid on that side. Okay, and as for this piece, I wanted to show you what I like to do because I don't like my forehead showing. So I'm just going to tease it a little bit. Bobby pin. And we're going to pin it up underneath. And I'm going to pull that to where it covers my ear. To where the braid is hanging over it. All right, so now we're just going to make sure everything looks balanced, that the braid is nice and pulled out everywhere. And it's looking pretty good.